Deep in the bright, bustling jungle lived Leo the Lion Cub, full of energy, always ready to dash, leap, and roar. Leo loved being fast. In his mind, speed meant strength, and strength meant he was the greatest. Not far away, in the shade of the tall palms, lived Tally the turtle, slow, steady, thoughtful. She never hurried. She believed that patience and wisdom brought true strength. But Leo, he thought patience was just another word for being left behind. One sunny morning, Leo bounced into the clearing. "Race me, everyone!" he roared proudly. The monkeys giggled, the parrots cheered, and even the elephants raised their trunks. But most of the animals shook their heads. They knew Leo always ran too far, too fast, and so often got himself into trouble. Then, from the back of the crowd, a calm voice said, "I'll race you, Leo." The animals gasped. It was Tally the turtle. Leo laughed so hard he rolled onto his back. "You? Race me? You'll never keep up." Tally just smiled. "Maybe not. But sometimes winning isn't about rushing ahead. Sometimes it's about waiting on the right time." The parrots flapped to the sky. "On your marks, get set, go!" Leo bolted like lightning, his paws pounding the ground, his tail streaming behind him. Dust flew everywhere. Tally simply began walking, step by step, slow, steady, calm. The animals whispered among themselves, "Leo's already out of sight. Poor Tally. She doesn't stand a chance." But Tally wasn't worried. She hummed a little tune as she moved forward, whispering a prayer. "Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength." Isaiah 40:31. The path twisted through the wild jungle. First came the river crossing. Leo leapt from stone to stone, splash. But his paws slipped and he landed in the water. He shook himself angrily and scrambled out, wasting precious time. Tally reached the river later. She paused, looked carefully, and found a steady log that floated across. Step by step, she crossed without falling once. Next came the tangled vines. Leo barreled forward, claws snagging, mane caught in the ropes of green. He roared in frustration as he wriggled free. Tally stopped, studied the vines, and gently ducked under. No scratches, no fuss. Then came the steep hill. Leo charged, slipping on loose rocks, sliding back again and again. He clawed at the dirt, bunting. Tally inched forward, pressing her short legs firmly step by step until she reached the top with steady breath. By now, Leo was exhausted. He sat under a tree, panting, sweat dripping from his fur. "How can this be? I'm fast, I'm strong, but I can't even stay ahead of a turtle." Just then, he looked back and saw Tally, still walking, still steady, never stopping. "Don't you get tired?" Leo asked. Tally smiled kindly. "Of course I do. But I rest in God's strength, not my own. He gives me patience. Patience gives me strength." The crowd of animals gathered at the finish line. They watched eagerly as dust stirred in the distance. Everyone expected Leo to burst out first. But it was Tally, calm, steady. Her little legs carried her right across the line. The animals cheered. "Tally wins! The turtle wins!" Moments later, Leo stumbled in, looking ashamed. "I lost, to someone so slow." Tally placed a gentle foot on his paw. "You didn't lose, Leo. You learned. Speed isn't strength. True strength waits for God's timing." That night, as the jungle quieted and the stars filled the sky, Leo thought about Tally's words. He whispered softly, "Those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint." From then on, Leo still loved to run, but he also learned to pause, to wait, and to listen for God's timing. And Tally? She kept walking step by step, reminding everyone that patience is never weakness, it's strength that trusts God's plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing adventures. We'll see you next time on little light sprouts.